The AG's office, however, said it cannot definitively answer that question. Well, former Assistant Attorney General David Highsmith, in other news, is no longer with the AG's office. This comes by way of a release sent by that agency late.
The National Weather Service in Guam has issued a flash flood warning for Rota, Saipan, Tinian until 11 p.m. tomorrow Standard Time. At 7:02 p.m. tomorrow Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands. 3 to 4 inches of rain have already fallen in the past 3 hours. Flash flooding is expected or already occurring. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible through 11 p.m. If you must be on the roads during ongoing typhoon conditions tonight, turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. Move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.